Okay, we're going to start looking at Facebook, and we're going to do what you normally end up doing, which is paying for a Facebook ad. And I thought that I would actually place an ad myself, a real ad, and pay some money for it, because I normally advertise on Facebook, so I have an account there. And I thought it'd be fun to see what happens if we get any likes or comments during the course of the lecture. So now you just have to actually watch and follow. You know, last time we looked at this Facebook page. Since then I have made one update, and I reached 2,366 people, which I was happy about. It was more than the usual 1,500. This will be filmed, or it is filmed, so you can always go back and check the details. I need to go through it fairly quickly in order for us to have some time to see if the ad works. But what you do is here, in the upper right corner, you go to Create Adverts. As you can see, I have switched my own profile to English, so I wouldn't have to translate all the time. So here, Create Adverts. And then Facebook, it changes all the time. It seems to me that Facebook changes just every few weeks. So when I opened up this now, then I was like, what's this? It looked a bit different. But basically, it works the same. Here you can choose the objective for your campaign. That means if you make an ad on Facebook, what do you want people to do? Because you could have different objectives. You might want to build a community, for instance. As you remember from last time, I spent money and had a lottery because I want a lot of people to follow me on Facebook. And the point was because then I have them kind of, I have caught them already, so then I can expose them for more messages in the future. One other objective, and what we're going to do today, is to try to get people to go to a certain website. And I will put my own website. Because next time we can go back and check. I have a pro package on my website, which means I get statistics. I can see the activity on my website. And it's quite interesting to make a comparison. At the same day that I have made a Facebook post, or for instance a Facebook advert where I have asked people to go to my website, I can go to my website and check whether it worked. And I can also check whether Facebook is lying to me or not, because Facebook will tell me how many people that actually clicked to go to my website. So I can go to the website and see whether it's actually true or not. But this is always done with a delay. Like statistics are done with a delay, so we can't do it today, but we can look at it next time. Here I choose a website. And in your case, you would choose the website for your company or the one you have made. And then I go further to set audience and budget. And this is the most interesting part of it. It says here, who do you want your adverts to reach? Because, as you know, we talked about newspapers, for instance. You cannot target your audience with a newspaper, because the newspaper will be sent to everyone who buys or orders the newspaper. So even if you sell skateboards, or you sell apps, or Angry Bird merchandise, it's going to be advertised to a lot of seniors or elder people who are very unlikely to buy this product. Same thing, if you advertise about, what do old people buy? Licorice. Well, some product that mostly old people buy. Then also all young people that read the paper will see the same adverts. So in a sense, you have wasted your money. And your advert goes to the wrong people, and then it is actually no point. But the point that with Facebook and other digital media, you can choose whom you want to direct the advertising to, and you only pay for those people. And you remember when you set up your Facebook accounts, Facebook always asks you your birthday, they ask you where you live, and they ask you a lot of questions about what you like. And in order to set up an account, you are supposed to answer all these questions. Have you ever paid any thought to why Facebook is asking this? And the reason they ask for your birthday, for instance, the main reason is not that your friends on Facebook can wish you a happy birthday, or Facebook could wish you a happy birthday. They want to know in which age segment you are. It's always said that on Facebook, you are the product. You are the product of Facebook, because when you have made a Facebook profile, Facebook sells your information to me, for instance. So I pay Facebook to find you so I can make advertisements for you. It's based on your information. They also need to know geographically where you live, because, for instance, I have travel that leaves from Vasa. It would be pointless for me to have people in Denmark read this ad, or even in Sweden, even if it's in Swedish. They're not going to come here and buy trips from me. So that's why I can also focus on location, and that's why it's important that Facebook knows your location. They also want to know your hobbies, because you can advertise based on people's behavior, their hobbies, and so on. And you will see, because we will try to create an ad